So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 22nd of September for those who are in no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay, if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. Okay, and again, if it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Taurus, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Ace of Wands, Four of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Wow. So this is someone who is feeling like coming towards you, and this person is feeling like getting married to you, getting settled with you, and having a long-term partnership and or a stable relationship with you. Now the page is flipping. Now it could be somebody whom you wanted like a marriage or commitment or stable kind of relationship with at some point of time, and either they were not able to give it to you at that time, or they denied it, or they completely said no to that offer, or simply this person was not ready. Okay, now this is someone who is like the energies are flipping, the roles are getting reversed here. Now the one who wanted commitment wants commitment now. The one who wanted commitment at that time, I think that person is no longer interested in that kind of commitment anymore. Now take it how it resonates with you. This is someone who feels like coming towards you, having a fresh start with you. At the same time, they are planning a future with you in their dreams, like daydreaming about a future commitment, long-term partnership and or stable relationship. Because this person is disappointed with all the things, all the options, all the people, all the situations that's popping up in their life. See, this person does have options. Okay, but nobody is giving them the kind of happiness or the kind of contentment that you gave to them at some point of time. And now this person is kind of realizing your value. Now this person is feeling like they lost you for good, and now they feel like coming back to you, starting a chapter with you, with clean slate, and going towards marriage, commitment and or long-term partnership stability. What a drastic change, 180-degree. Let's see what this person wants from you. Intentions. This is their feelings, daydreaming about marriage. Intention, wow. Intention is to choose you from all the other options that they have. They want to patiently wait for the time and they will be able to make a choice in front of you, like when they will be able to announce it to you that you are the person for them, you are the one for them. This person wants to tell you that you are the one for them. They want to come towards you with slowly but surely, because they know there's no way that you are going to take them back just like that. So they want to wait for the right time. They want to slowly but surely enter into into your life in some way. Might be they're planning to come to your life in a friendly way only. For some of you, this person is already dealing with somebody else. They're waiting for the time when they will be able to detach from that energy completely, and then they want to come back towards you. Now there is a period of time, a period of waiting time in between this situation, between you and this particular energy. They definitely needs more time. They definitely needs more energy of waiting. Okay, they need time. They want to you to. I don't think this person wants to consciously tell you that they want you to wait for them. No, it's like you do whatever you want to do, right? But they feel like they should come enter into your life slowly but surely, maybe just like a friend, and then make their way in your life, make their way in your life like a lover or something. So they got a plan here, big plan. Okay, and they know they can't enter in your life just like that. It's going to take time and a lot of effort and energy, plus there is something else or someone else also in the mix that they want to deal with before they can come forward towards you properly. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 22nd of September. We have the Ace of Cups, the King of Wands, the Three of Wands. Yeah, they are in this energy of waiting. See, I do see that directly or not directly, indirectly, this person is going to show interest in you some way. Maybe they are going to like your picture from, on Instagram, an old picture, an old post, or something like that. Or maybe they are going to unblock you, or maybe they are going to do something to catch your attention in some way. But I don't see them taking active action towards you, right? Again, this person is going to pretend that they are not interested in you as a lover or something, but their intention is to come towards you as a lover only eventually. But as of now, I don't see a very hyper fast action kind of energy from this person's side. They're planning to come back around with a plan, okay, with this energy of, yeah, I want to be with Taurus, but as of now, let me pretend that I am not interested in them in that way, in that manner. But at the same time, they're going to do something like a small gesture, small, something very small, some kind of small text like, hi, how are you, or what you are up to, or I saw in your dream, or I saw in you my dream, or something like that. You know, normal, simple, normal thing. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Taurus, in the situation. The Sun card. Be as happy as you can, be as clear as you can in this direction, because this person is in no contact for a very very solid reason. Do not forget that reason. Even if you are going to forgive this person for whatever happened, whatever they did, or whatever happened between you guys in this connection, even if you guys are forgiving each other, please do not forget why you guys are in no contact, and why this situation or this person is in your past, not in your present, or you guys are not planning a future together. Do not forget about that at all, okay? Please keep that in mind. So yeah, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.